Wow. This needs to be backboarded and acetated. We've got two tears here, which I will tape with acid-free art tape. One here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 printings of the ichthyologist etching plate. I see one here, one here, one here. We have a cutout of a etching I did around 1981 or so, 82 maybe, of Martin Buber, a portrait. Really nicely, very excellent proof here. We have this from the Rabbi Hillel linocut of 1973 or so. We have a portion of portrait of college friend from Carbondale, Jerry, of Chicago, Seattle, and Copenhagen. There's the Rabbi Hillel Hebrew letters again. It's all overprinted over, I'm not recognizing the etching plate. It might be one of those large 2 by 3 foot plates that I only printed 1 or 2 proofs of. And I don't recognize this here either. This is the part of the portrait head from the Rabbi Hillel linocut, 1973 or 74. Here we have an etching. This must have been a dry point proof from a portrait called, a double portrait called Self-Portrait with Starving Artist. What else do we have here? We have a collaged on piece of a poster published in Carbondale called The Search, which had a reproduction of my 1973-ish linocut portrait of Tom Mooney, the American labor martyr and hero, but with this etching overprinted over it. We also have a portion of the, I will have to glue that down with acid-free glue, the portion of the also 1973-ish linoleum block print called Aztec Calendar with Comrade Che, because I recognize the Viva la Liberté. We have some ink writing here. A K Segan, 1981, on the occasion of spring in Seattle. Well, right on. It's actually December, but it's sunny out. I'll go for spring-like sun in the middle of winter. We have Hebrew here with an English translation. Blessed art thou, the Eternal, who blessed his people Israel with peace. Well, one can always daydream. Doesn't seem to be much peace in Israel, Palestine, the West Bank, Gaza, and so on, much less anywhere else in the surrounding region. We have hands here. Another set here. That's an enormous, looks like a toe print. Anyway, there you have it. I don't know what this is called. I'll call it for now. It is what it is. I can get my hands up high enough to get the whole thing in there. And there you have it.